In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to chant in Jujutsu Infinite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to properly unlock the ability to chant and how it interacts with your other special moves. So first, you will have to open the skill tree and go over until you unlock chanting. As you can see here, according to the description, this node allows you to chant when casting curse techniques, and all that you have to do is press M2 and use the skill highlighted purple to perform this. So basically, you press down M2 and you press the button respective to the technique that you would like to chant with. As soon as you unlock this chanting node, you will be able to chant when using abilities. You can unlock further nodes such as chant proficiency that increase the proficiency, aka the damage of your chanted moves, but of course this is optional. The main one is going to be the ability to chant itself, so make sure that you have this node unlocked. Now, when you go over and you look at the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see your techniques, if you notice that any of them are highlighted in purple like this example here, all that you have to do is press M2 plus the one highlighted in purple. If you have the chanting node unlocked, you will be able to use a chant to enhance that specific technique. Now, a lot of moves in Jujutsu Infinite have a chanted version. There's so many that I won't be able to show you all of them in this video, but of course you should explore in your own time and see how they look. Keep in mind that they might also consume resources, so keep an eye out at the bottom left corner of the screen and make sure that you have enough tokens to use the specific techniques that you would like to chant with. As long as you have tokens available and you chant a technique by pressing M2 and press the respective button, you will be able to use the chanted version. I hope I was able to help you on how to chant in Jujutsu Infinite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.